to winter Padova, where the weather is just as moody as my latest art project. People are always telling me that, oh, Italy is always so sunny and beautiful, the weather. Well, no. Today I'm showing you the wet, gray Italy. So at first I'm taking you to this thrift shop that I discovered a couple of years ago, 2 years ago, 1 year ago, which is in the center of Padova, and it's really, really sweet, and it's filled with treasures. The whole idea for this video is that I'm bringing you're spending a day with me in Padova. Buona giornata. It was great, but I didn't find anything that I needed at the moment or really wanted. Anyway, now we are going through one of the main squares where there are the vegetables, and it's the market. It's the market. It's a good thing to be in. I bring you in a little bit where the meat is, just so spice up your life. So yeah, this is the market, which is open every day in the early morning until like lunchtime, so like around 1 o'clock. We are heading to the bookshop that I wanted to visit for a long time, and I just want to browse basically because there's nothing specific that I want at the moment. I just want to browse. Well, there is a tale book that I want for a long time for Alberto, and I'm not able to find it. So we can hope that I find it here, and then we're gonna check out the spicy books as well to see, like, because I'm ordering online and I'm reading my books in Kindle, but I always appreciate a real book as well, especially if it's spicy. This is where we had our first date with Mauro. It's the best sandwich bar in the city. Well, in the north of Italy also, I can say that. It's so good. Next time I will bring you there too. Not the one that I wanted, but It's almost better. It's really, really well. It's not better, but it's different. But it's really similar. The idea. I'm going to go to a coffee shop now to eat something and have a coffee, and I show you the book. That's an art shop too, but it's insanely expensive. I mean, look at this. This is the kind of stuff that you don't see because your guys are always coming to Italy in summer. But to be honest, this is still really, really gorgeous. Like, it's so good to be here, even if like there's rain and it's gray everywhere. It's still so beautiful and there's so much color. So we're going to my favorite breakfast place. Ciao, buongiorno. I'm showing you again because you can't see anything in the video. So the cool thing about this book, well, it's beautifully drawn, but it's like if you're using a little lamp, there's our shadows appears in here, like, so this pile of weed becomes the wolf. Or from behind, if you're putting the light behind, there's like shadows that are appearing. Like here, for example, the piggy who is scared for his life because the wolf is blowing his house. So yeah, it's a really cute book. Grazie, grazie.
Yeah, that's also true.
I didn't have my favorite brioche. Well, it's not. It's a sandwich basically, but it's in like a croissant bread. It's a salmon with burrata cheese, and it's so good. But today I didn't have it, unfortunately. Andiamo, aspettano. Our last stop is the art shop. I need a lot of paint, at least black paint and some new brushes. And I think I'm gonna buy also a canvas because I have someone wants to buy a painting from me, and so I'm gonna make a specific painting just for her, which is exciting. Freaking gorgeous is this. You can't see me. So now, okay, so now I'm done with everything. I have all my paints and canvases and everything, and now I'm heading home. So see you later. Bye.